This is a compare and contrast of two works of art by Georgia O'Keeffe. The one on the left is called Red and Orange Streak. It was done in 1919. It is oil on canvas. And the one on the right is called Sunrise. It was done in 1916. It is watercolor on paper, and it was part of a three-part series called Light Coming on the Plains. They are both depictions of a landscape in a very abstract way. The one on the right has a horizon line that is white, but most of the colors are red. The one on the left, horizon line, also has a red streak in it. The sunrise painting doesn't give me a feeling of movement. It's more a feeling of, you can tell that the light is changing. So I don't know if that's movement. The one on the left with the yellow-orange streak with the Z in the middle, it gives a feeling of movement. The sunrise painting is very tonal, like all the colors are very close together in nature, and it creates a harmony. And this painting just really catches my eye, and I just want to keep looking at it. But it's very minimal, very abstract. In the red and orange streak, this painting is just very contrasty with the dark and the light yellow and the red in the back. And to me, it's one of the more different paintings of hers like this because of her color choices. But I like how, even though it's done in oil, the way that she blends her colors almost makes it look like a watercolor, like the one on the right. And she does this in a lot of her paintings. When O'Keeffe moved to Texas, she found that she enjoyed the plains and she was fascinated by the sky. She enjoyed the sunrises and sunsets, and she has been known to say that she saw the most extraordinary sunrise, and that is what encouraged her to paint. And this is what came of it, one of a three-part series where she was trying to capture the ebb and flow of the light. She said that the light would begin to appear, and then it would disappear, and then that there would be a kind of halo effect that she shows here in her rings around the sun, and it would appear and disappear. And this was her attempt at trying to capture that and how it made her feel. And like I said, she painted this when she was arriving to New York from the Texas Plains, and evidently it happened during a lightning storm. And she had told a friend that the whole sky lit up in one place, and then another flash of lightning or sheet lightning, and it'd be sharp and bright and a zigzag. And this is her interpretation of that. And I see this as storm clouds right here, and this is the lightning. So though these paintings seem very different, in a way they're very alike. There's the flat plain in the back. They're both of landscapes. They're both of the environment that she loved, and it was a way for her to paint how she felt about that, how she saw it in her mind's eye. It's not supposed to be representational. It's supposed to be abstract. It's supposed to make you think. It's supposed to make you feel.